It's easy to use the iTero intraoral scanner eraser tool to accommodate for occlusal clearance of the chosen restorative material. Let's get started. After using the occlusal clearance tool to identify the need for further reduction, simply rotate the model to the buccal view. Tap on the prep tooth in the model diagram. Tap on the eraser. Using your finger, erase just the area of the tooth that needs to be reduced. Be careful to keep the margin intact. Rotate the model to view the occlusal and confirm removal of the desired anatomy. Tap the scan icon in the eraser dialog. After adjusting the prep on the patient, scan the area that was erased. The new scan only fills in the area that was removed. Tap the view icon to view the model in high resolution and observe the corrective changes. In our next video, we will demonstrate how to use the broom tool to remove any unwanted data.